السلام عليكم ومساء الخير عليكم. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining. We are just starting an interesting session today, inshallah, about the future of jobs in the AI era. We all curious about this subject. We all feel the risk about AI will taking our jobs. We're taking, we replace humans, but actually we need to understand more to before we talk. And understanding what is AI can do and what they are capable of, helping us to take the right directions. Let's confirm the voice and it's all clear on LinkedIn Live. If anyone can leave a comment, check. So how's the live going on? Anyone can leave a comment? Okay. So tonight we are speaking about very interesting subject, which is what will happen to the future jobs into the AI era. But first of all, thank you very much for everyone sending comments. Perfect. Okay. So first of all, we need to understand what is AI and why these days we have this wave and this noise about AI. Mohammed Zayed will join us, inshallah, in the second part of the session at 8:30 UAE time. So we will have two parts. I will give the introduction, and inshallah, Zayed will join us in the second part to have interesting conversation. And you are open to ask questions and comments. We receive all the comments and we can respond to you live. So our introduction, and simply, we need to understand what is AI. AI, it's not something new, and it's not recent, but the recent noise and too much talk about AI because of the latest development and latest stage which AI reach, which is generative AI. AI starts long time back since 1940s in different models, but let's talk about what we reach right now. The recent update of AI is which make the main wave is the research of transformers. Transformers is model of understanding the relation between words. From here, we reach the Gen AI, generative AI. So we all get surprised when we met with ChatGPT, which can understand whatever we are speaking to him. And ChatGPT is an assistant tool. He can help you in writing emails, in brainstorming about ideas, planning your day, planning your job, whatever job you are doing, you can use ChatGPT and it will be very helpful. ChatGPT or others, yani Gemini or Grok, the concept of the generative AI, which generates something based on its understanding of information. So simply, AI is your personal assistant. AI is not more than an assistant to help you in your daily tasks and your lifestyle. It should not be replacing you. It should be assisting you, extending your capabilities, helping you to analyze faster. If you have data or if you have numbers, you will be struggle to find the relation between the data, to understand how to get the value of these numbers. So you can give this data as a bulk of data to AI and it can summarize this information for you. So analysis is one of the key features of AI, Gen AI, which we can use in these days. Plus automation. Once you analyze some outputs of your data, whatever this kind of data. This data is written data, numbers and tables, or this data is text and whatever format. You can give this data to AI, generative AI, give you analysis, give you ideas of automations. You can automate some processes in your data using the AI tools. Our recent technology after generative AI is the agentic AI, which is mainly based on automations. It's an agent. Automation is since very long time. It was there. But right now, automation with the power of generative AI, it can automate any kind of scenario. Yani it can predict the scenario and it can continue the automation. Before that, we was building predefined automation. So the capability of automation with Gen AI make you facilitate your life very easy. You can automate an agent which reply to your email, specific emails. Let's say you are operation manager and you are receiving a lot of requests, complaint requests. So you can automate based on the complaint type, a specific email reply, and AI will understand your email and reply to your customers. So it is a repetitive task, so you can automate it even by the traditional way, which you put the whole scenarios, or using the AI, which will predict what it should do. Okay, so when I have analysis and I have automations, my as a decision maker, it is supporting my role. Right now, we are seeing the first unicorn company of 5 employees. Unicorn company, which means company exceed $1 billion with 5 employees and too much agents. So it's all about AI. Once I automate my tasks and I know from my data what I should do, it facilitates my management life and it will make me more powerful to have more production in whatever field I'm doing. So AI is your assistant. It's not replacing you. It should support you. How it can support us? Let's talk about the skill set which every profession should have. In every profession, in all industry, starting from, if you are talking about accountant, if you are talking about doctor, if you are talking about pharmacist, if you are talking about engineer, if you are talking about even artist, can be assisted by AI in his job. So right now, our skill sets are different. Our CV writing should be in different manner. When we write our CV, let's talk about CV in different manner. Previously, the CV way of filtration is something called ATS, which filters the CVs. When you receive a lot of CVs, it's filtered on specific keywords, and then it nominates you to the job or not. Right now, we don't have this ATS active anymore. AI, which understands the CV and give recommendation or not. So consider yourself as the AI. If you are the one who's reviewing the CV and you see that the man who's writing in the CV that he have a lot of skills related to my field. I'm the AI and I am seeing that this person can deal with different AI large language models using ChatGPT, putting a success story of AI project he has done. So he have AI understanding. Me as an AI agent will have some kind of bias to select the CV. So right now, one of the key skills which you need to add to your CV is the AI skills. Regardless, you are finance person, you are IT person, you are in healthcare, whatever field, you have to make sure to add your AI skill set in your CV. As an accountant, he have to have the skill set of analysis of the data, prediction, making forecasting. So many AI tools helping in this area. If I am marketeer, marketing right now, let's say 70% of your daily work can be automated. So if I'm automating 70% of my tasks as I will post at that timing, I will comment at that timing. This we then go to AI. We are talking about automation. Adding to the automation the AI capabilities, which can write for you if you give him the right requirements or the right, let's say, the right prompt. We will go to the prompt and we will speak more into what is the meaning of prompt or how to deal with it. But if you have somebody intern joining your company and you are giving him specific task, you have to explain to him exactly what he will be doing. This is the same concept of the prompt. You have to explain to AI properly and ask him to give you the best approach for automation and for AI response, and it will give you this support. So if I am marketeer, I can create content, I can schedule the content, I can create videos, I can create music, I can understand the market. Yani I can ask AI what is going viral these days, what is the hot subjects, what is the most interesting hashtags, and I think every marketer is doing this. Try to add it to your CV. Don't just be AI master, but you don't mention this in your CV. Try to take some kind of certificates. There's a lot of certificates in the market related to AI, and it will add value for you. One of the things also we will share with you by end the session, link to one of the very interesting certificates here in UAE. It's 1 million prompter certificate. It's an online program. You attend like 3 hours about prompt engineering, and you can take an online exam. Once you pass, you take a certificate from Ministry of AI, Future of Museum here in UAE. So these values, it will enrich your CV. It will make AI selecting you, because you know me, so we know each other. So I will be interested to select the people who have more AI skills in their CV. Even the doctor right now, the doctor can, if he have an AI system using it for his tests, following tests, he can predict, he can give suggestion, he can help in diagnosing. So there is AI skill set is required for all fields. That's what we need to focus on, and to enhance our profiles with AI skill set. At the same time, we have some jobs which are at risk. Let's be transparent about this. Many jobs in the market is at risk because of AI. One of the, yani, if we are looking to more advanced nations or yani, countries into the AI field, like USA, United States already there's some jobs is خلاص going leaving the market, like some jobs like content writer, like a call center agent is declining a lot. Yeah, call center is one of the jobs which AI is mastering into text communication and now reaching the master level in the voice communication. Maybe in English it's performing very well, and maybe any of us received an AI calls and we had a full call with the AI and we then deducted. So the AI voice and the AI way of speaking is very advanced right now. So it help us a lot to it's not help to replace people, but it's actually this is a reality. Even developers, most of the key technology leaders, they all mention that development skills will be disappear in like 5 years, because right now we can see ChatGPT 5, which is yani PhD in development. يعني I heard a lot of reviews about ChatGPT 5, including, I'm not a coder, but they mentioned that now ChatGPT 5 with the capability of writing code is exceeding almost, yeah, let's say 90% of the coding or developers people around the world. So it's very big risk It's a challenge that if you didn't change your skill set in the coming 5 years, you will lose your job. It's not joke anymore. It's reality. Okay. So these kind of jobs need to start thinking about transformation, not changing your job. You will not forget about your skill set, but you have to update it. Today, the developer, if they are only back-end developers, which was the old model, now we have one fresh grad developer can build an app from A to Z using low code or even using prompt engineering. There's some portals and some websites right now, just with simple prompt, I can build full website, even without using any coding experience. So developers should discover about the additional skill sets. I don't say I don't mean that to remove your experience, no, but start if you are back end, know how to build front end, know how to master the design using the AI tools. If you don't have many of the back end or the engineers who's doing coding, not into the design and the user experience. But right now, you can upgrade your skill set using the AI. You can use the AI to design for you. It will give you different mockups, different ideas, different user experience. Try to master how to deal with AI, and from here, you will extend your skill set. You will secure your future. If it's not secured with this kind of skill sets, it will be very risky in the coming years. My key next point is the major skill which is required for everybody. In the coming era of AI, dealing with AI, prompt engineering, prompting is a must, is not an option. How to deal with AI and understanding the way of communication with AI is very important. However, AI is developing fast. Yani, right now, talking to ChatGPT 5 much more easier than talking to ChatGPT 4.5. The new version can understand more, so it need less prompting skills, but still understanding how generative AI works and how to write the right prompt will make different results. Prompting is not big science. It's a logic. There is a people who start dealing with AI can write prompt better than people who studying prompting engineering. So it's a matter of understanding how you are communicating with the second side. Normally, there's people who have high communication skills with another people, and there's people who have less communication skills. Now you are developing your communication skills with AI, not with human. So you have to understand this model, how it gives you the best response. So studying prompt is very important because prompt is not simple. You can give him specific inputs like what is your role, what is the task which I'm giving to you, the context of what I'm asking for, and clear request for outcome. So it's 4 parts, starting from the role of the AI. Once I'm asking the AI to write a post for me, so I have to give him the role of marketing manager. You are marketing expert and you are start writing on LinkedIn or on Facebook, so I'm defining the role for him. Then the task that I'm writing a post on LinkedIn or Facebook, it's different because he understands different platforms have a different way of writing. And if you are using him for a long time, he knows, yani for me, مثلا, as an example, when I'm writing a new post and I'm asking him to make it for LinkedIn and Facebook, he writes the Facebook one in Arabic and the LinkedIn in English by default because he knows that I'm writing this way. So within the more practice with your large language model, ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini or even DeepSeek, whatever large language model you are using, or Llama of Meta. So keep using the same platform as long as you can to understand you more. When you give him a task and this task had happened before, he will act the same way. So it's saving time for you. Okay? Then you are giving him the context. The context should be in details. يعني I want to write a post. I will not give him that I'm writing a post about the AI festival event which I attended. That post will be very generative and there's no touch, there's no my personal experience. What I am doing normally for writing a post, I write the full post. I give him this a post which I'm writing. I start writing the post, what was the experience, who I met, what I learned about the panel discussions, whatever I'm writing about my personal experience, which personalized information, and then I give it to AI to reform it in different way. I can ask him to make this post start with hook. So I want to take attention in the first line of the post to be a hook for the reader to continue reading the post. Or even I can ask him to start with sketchy introduction, with question, with whatever. So he will reform the same content, but he can arrange it or form it for you as the way you like to post it. So you can change easy. You cannot restructure this by yourself. It will take time, but with AI, he can easily give you different ways. Give me one post short, give me one post for LinkedIn, which detailed one, search about these people and tag them on LinkedIn. All of these capabilities help you to write the best proper post. Okay. So last part of the prompt writing يعني template, let's say, is the outcome. How I need the outcome? I need to define for him this outcome. Maybe I need this outcome of the post to be humanized as human written, or I give him the outcome, some specific post, and I give him use the outcome same like this example, and I give him prompt by example. All of these ways helping the AI to give you the best result. So doing efforts to write the right prompt will help you to get the results which you are expecting. That's how we play with AI, how AI can help us and change the whole game for us. Let me check the comments. We have many comments. Thank you, everyone sending greetings. Or greeting. Any questions? Okay, we have a comment here. Ms. Suad, she's saying yes, new EA law, anyone specialized in AI and have certification will get it. I think you mean in all categories should have an AI certificate, AI understanding in different areas, in government, in private sector. So it's required. That's why they are pushing this kind of certificates. Okay, we have another question from Suad. Can you talk a bit about how to use AI and get more sales helping in posting ads? Sure, you can ask AI about this. You can start communicating with any AI tool you are using and ask them how to increase my sales. But you need to define what you are selling. You need to define the product. Ask him to go make research about this product. Ask the AI to go make research about what competitors doing, how the competitor acting on different platforms. Get a consultation plan which can help you to reach the best result. That's the target of using AI. So that's how we can deal with large language model, to speak to him and he will arrange our way of action. Yani the action to market should be sorted and arranged by AI steps. So it will help you very well in this area. Okay, we have Jannat. She's asking which certification especially. Actually, there's no specific certificates. Yani, I'm not asking about if we are talking about normal people, they should look for something like prompting engineering. Let me share with you the 1 million prompt, one of the very nice certificates here in UAE, 1 million prompter certificate. I will share the link right now. It's free for everyone. You can go and take the certificate, and you'll get the you can add it to your profile because you will get certified after the examination. Let me share the link. Just a minute. Certificates which obligatory in EduHack. When we run the experiment of EduHack, within the 10 days, we push everyone to get these certificates because it helps them understanding and helping them improve their career. Okay, here is the certificate. This is a link for the 1 million prompter certificate. It is for free. You can go sign up, attend the learning course, and then pass the exam. Once you pass the exam, you will get the certificate. It will be add value for anyone. Let me try to send it on the chat also. Okay. It's shared in the YouTube live, not in the LinkedIn, but uh, anyone can leave it in the comments on LinkedIn. So, do we have any other? Thank you, Mahmoud. So, all good. Okay. Okay. Mr. Zayed with us. Let me share with him the link to join us in the live, and we will start the second part. We will take a break with Sahaba Club EduHack AI video, and we will come back to you in a minute.